Hi, good evening. This is Alex Chen. My phone name is Jiang Chen. My student number is 303-22516. This video is recorded by the assignment 1 of the subject ITECH7401 Software Engineering Methodologies. Okay, in this assignment, I draw a state diagram for the Oral B Braun 5000 electronic toothbrush. Okay, I separate the whole system into the total 12 states. Okay, now let's see the first state. First state I call it idle. From the initial state, and the users press switch on, and the toothbrush is going to the ready state. Okay, and then the next transition, when the user selects timer, you can see the next one is going to the timer. In this state, the users can select the two categories of timer. One is professional and the one is 2 minutes. And then in this state, actually the users can switch on these two timers. Okay, so I use this recursive transition. And another recursive transition, that's this timing has another function. That means it can memorize how many times the users use when you press the mode button or switch the button. Okay, next, after set up the timing, the user can select the model and press a model button. And in the model button, actually, let's go to the smart guide part. The smart guide part, I categorize totally 6 types of mode here: daily clean, sensitive, deep clean, whitening, comb care, tongue cleaning. Okay, and these six status, there's just only one can using. So I put them together in using the big state. Okay, and then we can see here if the toothbrush shows a low battery, you can see here it in to go to the low battery. Okay, if the users didn't do anything about this low battery signals, then the toothbrush will turn off. Or users can do the charging. In the charging, the blue light is flashing. Okay, so it means the system can go to the charging. Okay, now let's look at the other part. So when during the toothbrushing, and we can see if the users use up the brushing time, they can get a reward. So here is the reward status. In the reward status, that means the system will give the users some notice or some a smiley face or some and the stars to show in the smart guide panels to show the user, congratulations, you finished all the time setup of the brushing. Okay, and then of course you can get a warning. Some warnings that mean here is use a pressure sensor. Here means that if the users press the toothbrush on their teeth very hard, and the sensors will receive a hard pressure, and then the system will give the users some warnings and showed on the smart guide panels. Okay, and when the users finished their brushing, then the state go back to the idle, and then when the users press the switch off, and then the system will exit. So that's all the state chart, all the state transition diagram for this system. Thank you very much.